Hi everyone. I'm growing a garden, a vegetable garden with everything in it. So this is all my garden right here, all the way down there. Well, I planted my potatoes in February and it's time to harvest them. So I just wanted to show you that I grew some potatoes. Kind of, look at that. Look, I love it. Oh, I love it. Uh-oh, I think I harvest too early. I think I harvest too early. How you know is the leaves will turn brown and it's not ready.
Put it back.
I don't know if we could.
Yeah, you could.
You
It'll
think?
continue growing. Don't grow no more.
Well, these are okay. See if you could put it back, Biff.
Yeah, I could.
I don't know. Just put it back in there the way it was. But I just wanted to show you they're not ready to harvest unless that's all it's going to give me. So it has to go in, yeah, like that. Straight in. So I just wanted to show you that I was growing potatoes. I'm going to leave it in there. Hopefully I didn't ruin the growth of it. Yeah, just, how neat, babe, look. Well, so far 3. I just wanted to show you. Cool, huh? I love it.